Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today I will explain how to log in with Firebase database. This is third part with Firebase database for authentication. I already uploaded two videos, one for connectivity with Firebase database, second for registration. I already designed login page. One is edit text, second is password, third is button. This is the code for 3 attributes for 3 fields. Now I will explain the backend code of login page. I have 3 attributes in the login page: email, password, button, login. First I need to declare edx edt email login edx edt password login. I need to provide meaningful name because to know where is edx email, where is edx password, button, eating, login. Fourth is Firebase asks for connection with Firebase database for authentication. I need to provide ID for these declare fields: edt email login fe r.id edt email edt password fe r.id edt password. Third, button login. Button login. Fourth, connection with Firebase database. Mauth Firebase auth get instance. No perform action with button click. We have 3 ways to perform action with button click: on click function, implement function, and anonymous class. Mostly we use in the anonymous class. We can log in. This is the way. This is third way to perform action through button: on click, listener. I need to get data from edx to store a string variable: string email edt email dot get text about to string password edt password dot get text not to string. I will provide condition for verification. If email is empty, you need to provide the proper email. Now I will show the toast message to know the user. Please enter email. If password is empty, I will show toast message. Please enter password. Third condition, if password.length, if length is less than 6, you need to provide value greater than 6, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 into above value you giving password. If short less than 6, then will show you toast message provide more values. Toast message password is short. No, I will perform the action for signing. Emoth dot sign in with email and password. Email and password dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener. Sorry. If task is successful, toast message show login successful. Else, sorry, toast message show login. This is the condition. If task is successful, means provide email password properly, the login is successful. If some issue is there, email and password, toast message show login is failed. This is the code for login button with Firebase database. Now I will show you the backend Firebase connectivity. This is, I will change the email I connected with I registered the Android project with this email. Now I will log in. Wait. These are the projects I already developed. Inshallah, I will explain all the project. I am currently working with connectivity project. I will click on connectivity. Wait for few minutes. Inshallah, I will cover all the topics. I will click in the authentication. These are the email already registered previous video. If any issue in previous video or current video, comment below. Inshallah, I will solve your issue. Wait, I will run the app. Click. The app is run successfully. Check it. Here check it connectivity. In Firebase I will show project name connectivity. Same name. I run the app. I will provide the email, dummy email k@gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I clicked on registration button. Wait for few seconds. I have my own data, so that very slow. Check it. Authentication is successful. I will provide the email with K. I just loaded the Firebase backend site. Wait for a few seconds. I will show you the email. Okay, they check it. This is the email I already given from there. If now I will log in that email k@gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Wait for a few seconds. Login successfully. Check it. Login successfully. Those messages show. I will change the OIO. Now I will check the condition successfully or not. Click log. Check it. Login is fine. This is the today topic was about the login with Firebase database. Dear student, follow the code. If any issue in the code, comment in box with me on Facebook. Inshallah, I will solve your problem. This is the login code. I already uploaded a registration code, but I will show you here again. This is the registration code. Inshallah, I will starting project working. Today I will uploading another video about full-fledged project creating with Firebase database. Thank you guys. Follow the tutorial.